Hello, are you curious about human nature? So am I. We will take a trip together at Kill and Error through what makes us human in the light of evolution by natural selection. We will explore topics such as conflict, sexuality, religion, parenting, among others. It's important to caution against the naturalistic fallacy, which posits that what is the case ought to be the case, like reaching the conclusion that because women can have children, then they ought to have children, which simply bypasses reason. Thank you for watching this intro to my channel. If you want to learn more about evolutionary psychology, and I know you do, then subscribe to catch my future content. Thank you.